In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the way your Minecraft game looks. These are called resource packs or texture packs, and I'm going to show you the whole process on how to change it. So head up to Google and type Minecraft resource pack, and you would like to go to curseforge.com. So in this page, you will find a bunch of basically skins, but for the game itself. I'm gonna give you an example of one. So I tried this one earlier. For example, it's called X-Ray Ultimate. What it does, it reveals all the mines, all the lava, and all the objects on the ground that you cannot see. But I'm gonna try this one called Clarity, which is like the nice one. So click on the pack and then you click download here. After 5 seconds, it's going to download a zip file. You can see it down here. So I'm going to open the location of this zip file. I'm going to right click on it, click copy, and I'm going to go to the game. So this is the game, normal Minecraft game. We're going to click escape and we're going to go to options. And here in resource pack, we will have this screen. So we click here, open pack folder, and this will open where all the folders are saved. We right click and we click paste. So you don't need to unzip it. You can leave it as a zip file. As you can see, it automatically showed up here. So we're going to click this arrow so it goes on the right side. Anything that's on the right side means that it's active. So if you have 5 on the right side, it means that all of those 5s will be applied. So we click the right, and now we have this clarity pack applied. So we hit done and the game refreshes. And now, as you can see, the menu has changed. I actually haven't played. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at those. Look at those lamps. It's so good. It's so cool. I actually haven't tried this one. Look at all the weapons. How it looks so cool. Let me look at the people. Oh my god, they're sleeping with their eyes open. Are there any giants, any columns here? Okay, I want to see how they look like. The lava, it's way darker in this one. This column is horrible. So I want to see how the outside looks as well. I have an elevator here. So everything just looks a little different. More like RuneScape more than Minecraft. So as you can see, everything just kind of like changes a bit. Look at all the cows. So not that big of a deal. I want to try another one that I found called Bare Bones, which is like a more minimalistic version and makes it look, pardon my French, cute. So we have it available there. Let's go ahead and remove clarity and then put in Bare Bones. Hit done. Here we go. Another one that didn't really meet my expectations, but definitely more cartoonish. So you can play around with these skins and see which one you like the most. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends, and stay safe out there.